Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Yesterday, the first sign of correction was clearly seen in Bank Nifty, and I hinted yesterday before market open telling you that yes, market has overextended too much for the short term, and irrespective of the FII data and even open interest which had lot of 15,700 put sellers, I put out my neck and told even if there are put sellers at 15,700 heavily stacked up, market has to make an attempt towards 15,700 on Bank Nifty future. Now it is just a history. Let me tell you, the number of COVID cases which are getting added is now way below the figure of 1 lakh, and the vaccination drive is on full swing, and we have seen opening up of lot of states now. And even if I see here in Bangalore, we are more or less close to normalcy, and I was repeatedly telling you by first week of July we will have forgotten the second wave of corona, and it is happening much before the first week of July. And let the vaccination of above 18 years start as per Modi's verdict, which is happening from 21st of this month. And if that drive starts, I won't be surprised if my prediction of July first week, the complete normalcy returning back will be there or much sooner to it. And if I see some of the very important fundamental data, World Bank had given a projection that we will see growth rate for financial year 21-22 at 10.1%. Now they have reduced it to 8.3% because of the second wave as well as the lockdowns which were there throughout the country. And if you see China's PPI inflation data was expected at 8%, but what actually came was 9%. And let me tell you, Thursday, America's inflation numbers are very closely watched for next move to happen by Fed, and that will have ramifications throughout the country. And let me also tell you, very important results today will be from Bata India, Gail India, and Bajaj Healthcare. And if you see FII, even yesterday they have bought to the extent of 1,422 crore, whereas DIIs yesterday they sold worth 1,626 crore. And stocks in F&O ban include India Bull Housing Finance, Nalco, Punjab National Bank, SAIL, as well as Sun Network. And let me put my neck out and tell that yes, the correction which I told yesterday before market open has started, and I won't be surprised if this week we see break of 15,700 to happen on Nifty future. But for me, Bank Nifty future is definitely more weaker than Nifty. I don't know what other analysts are putting it, and I'm not interested to also know, but my chart reading of market profile tells to me there is too much of tiredness in banks, and especially in private banks. Look at charts of HDFC Bank, look at charts of ICICI Bank. I see sure weakness in both the counter. I'm not telling market will collapse or we will fall heavily and all, but I'm telling surely this market on the long side is too overextended, and a shakeout for all the late bulls who have entered the market is surely imminent, and it is very good for the bull market on a medium to longer time frame. Also, mid caps have gone up close to 30-40% just within not even 6 months in this year. And at index level we have seen definitely a good up move, but not as much as what we have seen in mid and small cap. So one has to be very light on their trading long positions, and also risky traders can definitely look at continuing shorting Bank Nifty on every rise. But again, there having proper risk management and stop losses are very important. And for me today, I want to make a chart check. If you ask me, on the banking counter itself, and let me take the bigger banking stock, which is HDFC Bank. Now, again, a lot of people will be asking me, I am a long term investor, should I also exit? In fact, is this a weakness only for trading or for long term? All that. Let me tell you, long term investor, even if another bigger corona comes also, you don't have to worry. Stay with your good stocks, but this is just a pure trading bet. You can see clear congestion coming to HDFC Bank, and I can see lot of tiredness at the top. And let me also tell you, this crucial support for HDFC Bank is now at around 1330 zones. And if this 1330, 1340 zones, which is a very crucial support, if this zone breaks, I won't be surprised to see testing of lower levels on HDFC Bank. At least for me, clearly it is not a buy, and I can see congestion happening in this current zone, and similar patterns are also visible to me even in ICICI Bank, even in Kotak Bank. For me, more than PSU banks, it will be the private banks which will lead some amount of profit booking and correction. And let me give you clear levels on Bank Nifty. If I see Bank Nifty future chart, for me 35,000 is a very crucial support, break of which will see clear signs of profit booking. And let me also tell you, if you see clearly Bank Nifty on a daily time frame, I can see sure distribution happening on the pattern, and one has to be really careful if you are looking at anything on long side of this index. And let me tell you, if you break this crucial support at 35,000, and already at current levels, I'm referring to Bank Nifty future level, at current levels of 35,265, we have broken a crucial support which was at 35,400. This is already broken. That means Bank Nifty future is already weak. I don't have to wait for it to come below 35,000 for more weakness. I'm saying it is already weak right now, and if you break 35,000, further momentum will start on the downside, and there will be more profit booking to come once 35,000 levels are broken. But very important, now I will tell you, 35,550 is a crucial stop loss which I have to keep. Look at the risk reward. I have only 150 point risk on Bank Nifty future, which is very attractive in terms of risk reward. But however, for some reason, if we break 35,550 and go above in Bank Nifty future, I will say the short call did not work, and let me get out of my position. Do not ever try to be right on every call, not possible. Making money overall is very important. I am wrong more times than many people, but overall I make money, and that is what I want you to learn in this Easy Money show. I'm very sure the entire latest market updates, the call on Nifty, Bank Nifty, the call on even HDFC Bank, all these are coming to you in Easy Money show. Also, latest market updates during live market hours, I'll be giving it in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, which is given in the description below. And people who want to learn all this, do register for Zero to Millionaire program happening on June 25, 26, 27. Do forward this video to as many people as possible and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Do not forget to hit the bell icon right now so that you get notified when we upload superb videos like this. And also do subscribe right now to your channel Rudralogy and learn more to earn more. Thank you for watching this program. Have a profitable trading day. Signing off, Rudramurthy.